In this video, I show you how to change your personal YouTube account into a brand account. The first thing we need to do is go up into your picture up here onto the top right and click onto settings. As the settings load, you'll see a few different options here. What we need to do first is see all my channels or create a new channel. Today I'm going to be changing this channel, which is a personal account, into a brand account. But before we can do that, we need to make another account that it can be ported over to. So we click onto new channel and we type in the name we want it to be. And then click create. Okay, so now we've got the new account all set up. It's completely empty and blank. If we click up onto the pink icon, yours may be a different color, and then go to switch account, you'll now see the new blog post up there, the new blog channel up there. What we need to do is go back to your main account that you want to swap over and click onto your picture and then go back to the settings. And just in case you see anything different up here, you can get this kind of view pop up on when you click on your picture. If you click on YouTube settings, you get back to exactly the same page here. So now we've created the channel, we need to go into advanced over here, just under your email address. And then we want to move channel to brand account and verify with your password. As the page loads, you'll see all of the information from your current personal account, and then we click onto select desired account. So now we've got the brand account already here. We can click onto that and you'll see a warning pop up saying that the Joe Cullen blog that's currently got no subscribers, no videos, and no playlists will be deleted. And that's fine because it's the one we just made. So we click delete channel. So then afterwards, we've got my channel now, 16 videos, 2 playlists, 7 subscribers, my account. Assuming that that's all okay, so my channel after, I keep my 7 subscribers, 16 videos, 2 playlists, the icon all changes, that's fine. So I'm going to move channel. A final warning will pop up, and it is worth noting that you've got an exclamation mark. You need to read whatever that says. For me, it says some of my comments can't be moved. Now, I'm just starting out, that's not a problem for me. You may need to consider what comments you'll lose and if that will actually affect your video and your channel at all. So just be aware that that has popped up for me. You may get different things pop up. So just read this bit here, and if you're happy, move channel and then click OK. Now, as we've just moved our personal account to a brand account, it will say that we don't have a channel anymore. So you can recreate your own channel, which will then be linked directly to your email. But the whole idea is that we've got our subscribers and everything that we had before now onto a brand account. And some of the information may take a while for it to transfer over. So if you do not see all of your updates instantly, do not panic. It does take some time for it all to transfer and for the servers to update properly. But right here, you see you're connected to a brand account. Now, because we've just changed our personal account to a brand account, we no longer have a default channel. So I'm going to use this blog site and the blog site that we've just made as my default and save that. After that's all finalized, it's worth going back to the overview button here. And as you click on overview, you will see now that you've got some different options here. The main one being that managers can now be added or removed from your account. Managers are people that can be added or removed to help manage your YouTube channel. And if you're growing, then you'll be aware that you could really use that in the future. So I suggest doing this right from the word go, because otherwise you'll lose comments and things on some of your videos like we've just seen. And to avoid that, we can just have a brand account right from the start. Now that it's a brand account, we can also change some of the settings, such as the picture and everything, without it affecting your Google Plus account. Another thing just to be aware of, if you have previously set up certain things, so if you click onto View Additional Features, you'll go into your channel settings all of this will have been reset back to its original status, apart from maybe the verification part of it. But you need to go back through all of this and just make sure that the settings are correct and how you expect them to be. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please rate, subscribe and thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.